Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P242b code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's exhaust gas temperature sensor, also known as the EGT sensor. And if left unresolved, it can interfere with DPF regeneration, increase exhaust emissions, reduce engine performance, and even put your vehicle into limp mode. What does P242b mean? P242b stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit Range, Performance, Bank 1 Sensor 3. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the exhaust gas temperature sensor 3 on bank 1 is sending readings that are outside the expected operating range or is not performing correctly. The exhaust gas temperature sensor monitors the temperature of the exhaust gases as they pass through the exhaust system. The ECU uses this information to control diesel particulate filter regeneration, protect the catalytic converter, and ensure the emissions system operates efficiently. When the sensor provides inaccurate or unstable temperature readings, the ECU cannot properly manage the exhaust after-treatment system and stores the P242b trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P242b, you may notice: check engine light on, DPF warning light, reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, frequent or failed DPF regeneration, increased exhaust emissions, loss of engine power, and in some diesel vehicles, the engine may enter limp mode. If ignored for a long time, excessive soot buildup inside the DPF can occur, leading to more expensive repairs. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Sensor 3 is usually located after the diesel particulate filter or after the catalytic converter, depending on the vehicle manufacturer. It is threaded into the exhaust pipe and connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Because it is constantly exposed to extreme heat, vibration, moisture, and road debris, the sensor and its wiring can deteriorate over time. The most common causes of P242b include: faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, sensor readings out of specification, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, exhaust leaks near the sensor, carbon contamination on the sensor tip, faulty DPF or regeneration issues, or ECU problems in rare cases. A failing EGT sensor or damaged wiring is the most common cause of this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional DPF or exhaust-related trouble codes. Monitor live exhaust temperature readings using a professional obd2 scanner. Compare the readings from all exhaust temperature sensors. Inspect the wiring harness for melted insulation, broken wires, or corrosion. Check the connector for loose terminals or moisture, inspect the exhaust system for leaks, and test the sensor resistance according to the manufacturer's service specifications. How to fix P242b: repair damaged wiring. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair exhaust leaks. Replace the faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair DPF regeneration problems if necessary, clear the code, and perform a complete road test while monitoring live exhaust temperature data. Final result: fixing P242b will restore accurate exhaust temperature monitoring, allow proper DPF regeneration, improve engine performance, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, protect expensive exhaust components, and help your vehicle run smoothly and efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.